Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it's January 12th, 2022. And I went to the park to see if the snowdrops are out. Just because it was warm before, I've seen blossom trees and the big snow came and everything went to hell. So we'll see what we can find. I know it's early, but still found things of signs of spring. Although we're getting more snow next weekend. Where's my car? So some snowdrops and some other little flowers that try to blossom. It's so cold outside. I have tears in my eyes. Frigid. Minus I don't know, 20 something. I guess I'm done with the park for today. I will check it out. I will check out something else. All right, see you later.